Hi guys, Boston from VectorVest here. I was doing some reading recently and I came across a couple of articles highlighting what they called some of the best AI stocks to buy right now. And it got me thinking, are these actually good stocks or are they just popular stocks? AI is one of the hottest trends in the market right now, and it seems like every week there's a new list of must-own AI companies. But just because a company is involved in AI doesn't automatically make it a good investment. So today I thought we'd ignore the headlines, ignore all the hype, and ignore the stories, and just use the 4-part safe stock selector checklist that Ryan introduced in last week's video. If you missed it, not a big deal. I'll put a link in the description below so you can catch up. So let's see which stocks survive, because like Ryan said, ideas are free, but standards decide. Now remember Ryan's 4 steps. 1, you want to see a smooth and steady uptrend in the price. 2, you want to see the price currently rising. 3, you want the earnings to be rising. And 4, you want the market to be ready to buy. As we come into our market launchpad here, we can see right at the very beginning, the market timing is saying hold. It's not a good time to buy. So because of this, we're just going to kind of fast forward through step 4 on each of these because it's going to be the same for all the stocks that we look at today. First, I'm going to pull up SanDisk. This is going to be our ideal situation. This is what we want to focus on and look for as we go through the different stocks today. So step 1, we have the price moving nice and smooth. It's increasing over the 1-year span. We have the price currently rising as we zoom in a little bit more right here. 3, the earnings are definitely rising over the same 1-year span. 4, like we had already mentioned, the market timing. We're going to skip that one, as I said. So some of the articles that I found, we're going to take a peek at this one. 3 AI stocks under $50 that could be this year's biggest surprises. Okay, let's see what they're saying. So the very first ones that they're saying to consider are SOUN, which is SOUN, Aurora Innovation, AUR, and SERV Robotics, SERV. So let's go take a look in the Launchpad to see just exactly what VectorVest has to show for them. All right, we're going to come to our search for stocks panel, and we're going to start with SOUN, the first one in the list, SOUN. So check 1, the price moving smooth from bottom left to upper right? Absolutely not. 2, price currently rising? No, that's still stuck in a channel and it's been down since February. Not meeting it. And 3, look at the earnings per share. They have been declining over the same time span. So this is a fail. I wouldn't buy this. Definitely not something to be watching. The second one in the list was Aurora, AUR. Let's pull this one up. All right, Ryan's checks. Step 1, bottom left to the upper right for the price trend. Not happening. This has been stuck in a channel throughout most of the year. There's a bit of a run up here, but it's in a channel again and it's on its way down. Earnings? Well, all right, so the earnings, they're a little bit better than they were at the beginning of the graph, but they're negative. So definitely not something to put your money into. Earnings are not working. The stock's price is not increasing. Definitely not something to be buying. The last one they had mentioned was SERV. See, SERV Robotics. And we've got the same situation. The price is stuck in a channel over the past year and it's steadily declining. And earnings are even worse. They've been going down for the full year. No way. All right, so let's look at the next article that we found. This one is about AAON, AAON. So the stock of the day jumps nearby points as AI backlog booms 160%. So as we come down, it does give us a quick little blurb that it is talking about the data centers making huge demands on heating and cooling, which is what the AAON falls into. So let's see what VectorVest Launchpad has to say for this. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to come to search for stocks. We're going to type in AAON. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this one. Same thing. The price fell and it's been stuck in a sideways channel. Again, this one had a good gap up, but again, it's stuck in a channel. There's no movement except for sideways. So the earnings, no, they're starting to come up a little bit here, but again, they're down from where they were a year ago. Absolutely not. This is garbage. This is what me and Jess, one of our coworkers here at VectorVest, calls a dumpster fire. Don't even look at it. Don't waste your money. Keep going. What you can do is look for stocks that are in the same area, and maybe there's something better. So I did a little bit of research before the video, and I went through the industry for the heating and cooling for AI products, and I came across a different stock, Fix, Comfort Systems. This one looks great. So we've got the bottom left to the upper right in the price, which is step number 1. We want to see the price increasing. Number 2, we are currently in an uptrend. We're still moving. Looks pretty good to me. 3, we've got the earnings per share increasing well over the year. The other ones were in the negatives or around the 2, not the best. This earnings per share is at a 38.01. As of today, much better. So just because a stock is on a list that someone's recommending you buy right now does not mean it's a great idea. This is the difference between chasing the article and using the article as a starting point. Do you notice what happened here? The articles actually gave us some good ideas, and the problem wasn't the ideas, but it was assuming that every stock on the list was automatically a good buy. That's where the checklist comes in. Instead of taking the article's word for it, you can quickly pull up the chart and see if the stock is actually setting up the way that we want. Most investors start with headlines and then try to justify the buy. VectorVest helps you to reverse that. You can start with an objective standard such as price, earnings, timing, and market direction, and then decide whether the stock deserves your attention. If you want to see how a stock you're watching checks out, request a free stock analysis using the link in the description. Or if you want to check out all the stocks that you've been watching, you can take a test drive to the VectorVest Market Launchpad. I'll put a link down below for that too. Thanks for tuning in with me today, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.